Hey guys, how's it going? How to organize your calendar with Motion AI. Click the browser at the bottom right. It says right here, HubSpot acquires Motion AI, so they're joining the HubSpot family. So go, as you can see right here, the future of marketing is messaging, and could not be more excited about building a visual chatbot builder. Go ahead and click the chatbot builder, and then what you're gonna do, go ahead and click the chat right here at the bottom right. You see it? And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just type, as I typed right here, organize a calendar example. It says, I'm here to help you understand and use HubSpot's products and features. If you need assistance with organizing a calendar, could you be more could you please specify what you want to achieve with it? Are you looking to schedule meetings, manage tasks, or something else? Let's have an example. Schedule a meeting at 8. And then you're gonna forward that message to the hub bot right here, and they're gonna help you out to schedule a meeting. It says, to schedule a meeting in HubSpot, you'll typically use the meetings tool. However, since I can't provide step-by-step guidance without checking the HubSpot knowledge base, let me retrieve the information for you. We'll find the relevant instructions on how to schedule a meeting in HubSpot. So you can just wait for a few moments, or you can just go close this window and get started for free, right? You can create a chat bot sequences without coding, right? So basically it's all leveraged by AI. So you could connect with your Gmail, MailChimp, and all that stuff, and you can go and click the breeze icon or the diamond icon at the bottom, and then hit overview, right? And you can see right here the Copilot AI, right? And you're gonna be able to basically schedule a specific meeting. You need to be specific, right, on what meeting, and be as specific as possible to use the Copilot. As you can see right here, it says, every time you open me, I will show you some of the most popular requests for that page. These are called prompts, and you can choose right here the Copilot. Let's try one, and you can use research company, add company, or summarize contact. And from there, you're gonna be able to research company. You can organize calendar and all that stuff, but you need to be more advanced and upgrade, of course, your Motion AI for that to happen. So for now, you're gonna be able to play around it and start creating or choosing a prompt, for example, and you're gonna go step by step to use that example prompt, and you're gonna be able to click the chat at the top to create a new chat, and you're gonna be able to talk with Copilot AI if your account was advanced. If your account is advanced, you're gonna be able to basically organize your calendar with HubSpot or Motion AI. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.